Hello everyone, we got another KR model. I actually have the green version of this, but I liked it enough that I decided to get the champagne color. So EraQ is some sort of joining brand, I guess, that joins other model maker companies to make deformed cars. I'm pretty sure KR is an actual individual designer based off of Facebook, and this person designs deformed vehicles, some of which are bigger with opening panels and the like, but I prefer my models to be small so I can collect more of them. Alright, obviously made in China. There's the two brand logos. No licensing. I mean, the thing doesn't even look like it's not really the real car, so. Oh boy, this is an acrylic base with two metal screws. I say that kind of negatively because that's expensive, and I basically had to buy that, so I would just rather have a plain base and a cheaper model myself. But alright, so here's some images, of course, of a real car. This lighting situation, this looks more like it's gold, but yeah, this is a studio, so maybe the real car is more like this. I don't know. So you do have this photo etch plate here telling you what the car is. If I could focus on it, it's just shiny. There we go. So EraQ KR, and this is number 27 of 99. So, but that 99 is just this color. So there's at least 200, around 200 of these if you count the green one. I have to guess that in the future they'll have more releases. So yeah, again, really quality based is unnecessary to me. So the deformation, yeah, I love it. It's really great. It's got the staggered wheel size like Hot Wheels does. And so, unfortunately, this is a black decal, so I don't know what's going to happen to that in the future. It might crack or something. The tires are nicely rounded, and then you look at that brake system back in there. It's looking pretty good. Let's see if I can help out with a flashlight. Some cross drilling, obviously a red caliper, but even it looks like it has silver bolts to hold that caliper on. Let's go to one of them, and yeah, that's really neat, really cool. Such thin spokes, very nice. Possibly 3D printed wheels, possibly. Some sort of black decal in the center. Not sure why they wouldn't just use paint, or maybe that is a paint app, I don't know. Boy, the camera is going in and out of with this crazy contrast between the black and the shininess of the gold body. Very cool. So this black vent, look at this. This goes in and it's got the bisecting thing all chromed out. Very nice. Little door handle detail. The undercut of the side looks nice. Slammed to the ground. No interior, which is fine. It's just black here. Possibly a decal, just based off of the wrinkliness there. Separate mirrors, of course, with some funky molding shapes like the real car, and a real reflective sticker. So, all right, going to the front. Yeah, we got the silver surrounded by black for the fog lights. This vent goes in a decent amount. Yeah, quite a far actually. Unfortunately, no black paint here, and it's just darkness under there. Oh, there's a grill actually all in there, so that's pretty nice. Alright, the headlamp assembly looks very good. The clear cover, and then behind it we have some chrome headlights with what looks like light bulbs or something in there. Very cool. Pretty smooth hood. That's a square LED above us. The wiper blade base is just glossy black. Looks like paint to me. And then we have some recesses with black here. I wonder if that's the tire. No, it's too high here, so it's not. It's just black paint in a recess. This is probably a photo etched metal piece right here, what I'm touching there. It's so thin. I don't know why they wouldn't put that same piece right here, though. Interesting, because this is like blobby. And yet the real car doesn't really have a... It might have a Pagani logo there, but it's not this blobby. So I almost feel like they could have just put that metal there. I'm gonna guess that's a fuel filler, or maybe it's a charge port. I don't know if this is a hybrid or what. Alrighty, yeah, black up here for those windows, probably decals. These vents, unfortunately nothing there. But this vent actually goes in a little bit. And then these exhausts look fantastic. They're like photo plated or electroplated blue. The chrome surround is really smooth. These chrome taillights are really smooth. Very good. This little red dot, I don't know if that's I think that's a piece of resin. I'm magnified 4 times on this thing, so can't get any closer. Possibly that's resin, or no, that's paint now that I see it. It's actually recessed a little bit. Same with these reflectors. And this Utopia badge is nice. It's raised lettering, some sort of sticker or something. Unfortunately, there's no license plate, but that's gonna have to do. I like how the wing actually really goes through. Just some black here, and then black surface there. Yeah, so I was zoomed in quite a bit. Here's back to normal view. Not too much to compare to today, just felt lazy. So here's the green version. Just look at those wheel decals, if they're still intact. So far, yes. And then this is an Alpha 8C done by, boy, I think it was Timothy and Pierre, yeah. So that also has an opaque solid canopy, but this has a photo etch metal window frame on the side, but no brake system, so it's give and take, I suppose. And I kind of like this because it has just a cheap base, but they took that money and then they give you this thing with like a, you know, angled nameplate, so it's a little different. Okay, well, anyways, you can look up reviews of those if you want elsewhere. Here's a little 3D printed Fat Tony. Alright, well, another fine model, I guess, from KR and EraQ, or, boy, yeah, that's it. So, hopefully they come out with some more castings in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then.